Caution before assembly. Please do not fully fasten all the screws unless you have completely assembled the product. Follow the steps. Fasten each screw by 90%. Then adjust the balance of chair by sitting on it. Finally, fasten all the screws fully. Please put the chair on the flat surface when assembling. There are small components used in the construction of this product. Keep the parts out of the reach of children when assembling to avoid danger. Put the backrest D on a flat surface and insert the bolt F into holes, then rotate it into board 2 centimeters. Lift the bottom fabric of the seat, A. Attach the seat, A, to the backrest, D. Then rotate the bolt top, I, on bolt, F. Put the armrest left, B, on a flat surface and insert the bolt, F, into holes, then rotate it into board 2 centimeters. Attach the seat, A, to the left armrest, B. Then rotate the bolt top, I, on bolt, F. Lift the backboard of the backrest, D. Attach the backrest, D, to the left armrest, B. Then rotate the bolt top, I, on bolt, F. Put the armrest right, C, on a flat surface and insert the bolt, F, into holes, then rotate it into board 2 centimeters. Attach the backrest, D, to the right armrest, C. Then rotate the bolt top, I, on bolt, F. Attach the seat, A, to the right armrest, C. Then rotate the bolt top, I, on bolt, F. Fix the bottom fabric. Attach 4 feet, E, to the bottom of the armrests, B and C. With 12 screws, M 640 millimeters, G. Attach the backboard to the backrest, D.